Studying political science at the American University in Cairo is a very interesting journey. You start with being exposed to what's happening worldwide, you understand what's happening in world politics, you get to be exposed to what's happening in Middle Eastern politics. Why do we have a lot of wars in the Middle East? Why do we have a lot of economic problems? Why do we have social problems? All of this you get to be exposed to at the political science department. We have different concentrations. We have comparative politics, we have international relations, we have international law and political economy. And in all those concentrations, you get to be exposed to those ideas and to critical thinking. We teach students how to critically engage with world politics and how to think critically about the world they live in. After studying at the department, you have a lot of opportunities to be part of the Model United Nations or the Model Arab League, and in those models you get to be exposed to how to talk in international conferences, how to make new friends. You get to see different people. We have a lot of exchange students, so you get to know different students, different cultures. And once you finish your journey at the political science department, you can go and have interesting jobs in places like the United Nations, in NGOs, in international NGOs. You can also go to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And we have, most of our students are very well placed in the job market. We have a lot of ambassadors that have actually graduated from the political science department. We are all at the department looking very forward to seeing you and to bringing you more knowledge about world politics and Middle Eastern politics.